Hi everyone, welcome back to BeUniqueness channel. In our last video, we talked about how to start a successful LinkedIn advertising campaign. So if you want to watch the video, click the link below. But before you can actually create an ads campaign, first of all, you need to have a LinkedIn account. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn account for free. To begin with, get your email address ready in hand, and then let's go to linkedin.com. In here, click on Join Now. And then I'm gonna put in my own email address and also the password for future login. Okay, so if that's everything you have, click on Agree and Join. So on this page, let's put in my full name. So first name Aaron, last name Hu. Then click on Continue. Right? So in here, right, on this page, LinkedIn will ask you to put some of your personal information. So for example, here you choose United Kingdom as your country, and then the postcode. So the postcode of BeUniqueness is M33HF. Click on Next. Then put in my most recent job title. So I am the digital marketing specialist at BeUniqueness. Let's put that down. And most recent company, BeUniqueness. Okay, that's cool. Click on Continue. And because on this stage, LinkedIn needs to verify the personal information, so I'm just go to my email address. And then, cool, I'm receiving a verification code here. So let's just put it in. Okay, click on Agree and Confirm. Ta-da! So here we go. We've already created accounts for Aaron, just for myself. And then in here, I've got personal LinkedIn account, which will help me to go to BeUniqueness business account and then create an advertising campaign for the company. Okay, so that's the whole step of how you can create your personal account on LinkedIn, and that's totally for free. Okay, so thank you very much for watching today's video. If you want to know more information about LinkedIn and LinkedIn advertising campaign, just comment on this video so we will create more videos in the future. Thank you.